Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to change your interest on Pinterest in this video. Let's get started. First, open Pinterest on your device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on your profile picture at the top left again. Here, go to Home Feed Tuner. Tap on Interest at the top. Now deselect the current topics that you are not interested in, and instead tap on the plus icon of the topics that you are interested in. Just like so. And that is how to change interest in Pinterest. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.